Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to practice this program. So firstly read this program. Write a basic program that takes a cricket score as input and prints keep going if the score is less than 50, half century if the score is greater than 50 but less than 100, and century the score is 100 or more. So let's practice this program in PC Basic. So let's start typing the program. So here 10 input space bar enter runs. You can also type here colon so that answer message will be representable, and then this is the variable to accept the runs from the user. Enter key 20 if space bar are less than 50. If runs less than 50 space bar, then print keep going double quotes, and then enter next line 30 if space bar are, that means runs, greater than equals to 50 and space bar are less than 100, then print half century, then print double quotes half century double quotes closed, and then enter key 40 if space bar are greater than equals to 100, then print century double quotes close, enter key 50, and now we will run the program. Run, and then you can see here now we will enter 45. Let's see the answer. It is saying keep going, so you have to score more, and then again run the program. It is asking for the runs. Let's see 55. You can see it is saying half century, and next one again run the program. Again let's 101, and you can see century. So program is correct. So we have got correct answer. One thing I want to remind you in this program that we have studied rules about if else, that अगर हमारे पास multiple if else की conditions हैं तो we will write those multiple if else condition in the different statements, separate statements. उनको हम same condition में if then else नहीं लिख सकते, तो we have typed these conditions in separate statement. So I want to remind you that ताकि there should not be any confusion, and hope you understand very well this program. If you have any query, you can drop your queries in the comment section. Please like, subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Thank you.